Let me see. Where's your big one?
On up here.
Oh my. Oh wow. Oh, I'm not gonna say what I'm thinking. Oh, Andy. No, not gonna say it. Andy. Oh, this one. Oh, there. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Okay. Closing comments. Did you have a fun time?
I'd like to come one more time at least.
Yes, I hope you can.
I'm going to come as long as I can.
That's glad. You're always welcome.
Oh my God! Holy shitballs! Holy!
Don't step on him.
I'm not. Come on. Okay. Come on, everybody.
Behind you over there.
There's a
Behind you over there.
Oh
Right there.
God.
Behind you there, over there.
Holy shit!
Wait, Andy. Wait, I want your picture, not of your butt. Oh, my Lord. Oh, Andy, they're home. Oh, they're home.
Whoa!
The one's right over there. Over there.
All right, all up in there.
All up in there.
Holy crap! Right beside you, Linda. Look at that.
Yep.
Hey, I'm the man.
Whoa!
See the vehicle in the distance there? That's how close I got to him.
Oh my God!
Sorry to spoil y'all, because this is not how it normally is. This is not the norm.
You could go years.
All the way down the hill, man.
All right here, we're walking in to your right.
I know, I see it.
All right, I want everybody to say party favors.
Hold on a minute. Nisi, get your mom, Martha, over here. You have to see this. Martha and Nisi, get over here. Get your butts over here, everybody.
I can see him from here.
Easter eggs!
Oh my God! Another one right there.
Oh, God!
Holy shit! There's a Bud Light can. Perfect.
Look at them pretty ones right there.
Nisi,
Oh
come
my
on over
God.
here.
This doesn't happen every time, and this exceeds any foray I've ever had as far as amount of morels. So, what an incredible amount.
Said blow, blow, singing away, blow like you never gonna blow again. Don't tease like a long lost friend, roll down the way. See this? Nisi, get your mom.
They're over
Oh,
here.
there's triplets. Look right there. Look at these triplets.
Be careful you don't step on one. They're all around here. There's tons of them. There's some right in
There's a
front of him.
couple
This
there.
way, that way. They're around.
Did you see the triplets?
Oh, my God!
All right, I want to hear some feedback on my soup now.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Yep, you got one right in front of you. You got two right in front of you, John, right below you there.
Yeah.
Teeny one by your foot, you know.
Yep, I know. This one here, back behind you there. They're all around here.
Look, you don't believe.
You almost just stepped on a little one right there, Ruth.
Opens up that conversation.
Come enjoy the bruschetta over here. Mushroom bruschetta. Quesadillas, they're over on this table.
You can put them over there.
Just in time that you finished up, we have fried morels right here. And soon to follow, shake and bake chicken sticks. All right, grand finale. Chicken steak and Alfredo pasta. You guys ready for some stuffed jalapenos?
Yes.
I put bunches of mushrooms in them this time too.
Definitely well.
Pink Himalayan.
Said we're all looking for something to find, a message in a bottle, a secret to life. Well, if you ask me, I'm just here to unwind.
All right, this is going to be the greens for the quesadillas. All right, we got breaded dandelion blossoms. Good thing we picked them and breaded them yesterday.
How'd you do?
Walk across the tree in a white pale dress, waiting for me to come. Waiting in bank of the bend deep bed by the hangman's noose.
Alright, this is the mix of greens here you guys can try.
That's as bad as that pizza joint back home called Sam and Ella. Named Sam, and I guess his woman's name is Ella.
Yeah.
I don't know if they didn't think it through, but it's right there. Sam and Ella. Pizza.
We got bruschetta.
Mushroom rosetta. Stuff's helping.
Your daddy rested.
That's where no one in numbers comes in.
I'm heavy low.
There's one more, 1, 4, 5.
Sharpen that when you get
I
home.
think I have a sharpener in the thing, I think. Here's our helpers going. We got all these mushrooms. Lots of oysters and nice honeys.
We got green onions to cut up too, right?
Yes. And mini puffballs. Here's the washi over here. We got purple eggs here from lobsters. Soup's ready.
You have it on your chart.
Working hours without rest.
I'm playing his instrument.
All right, my mushroom soup is ready.
All right, you imagine that? I'll be on a car hood just like. That'll be my. The hot black water, she's a devil's daughter. She's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Why we locked your gates on that?
All right, can I have everybody's attention?
Yes. At the ranch.
I got fried morels here.
Oh,
This is like eating gold, but
Tennessee
I think I'm gonna go back over here in the place and find a nice place and eat them myself. We got steak, brats, chicken, and extremely rich Morel Alfredo.
Beautiful.
Because you're mine.
I walk the line. Look at Alma now. It is awesome.
Oh my God.
Fiddling these hills, fiddling the whiskey, fiddling the pills. Angel, won't you come and save me? Save me from myself. Angel, won't you come and make that devil run?
All the way down the hill, man.
All right here, and we're walking in them to your right.
I know, I see it.
Johnny Ross left him low and played fiddle hard. Social programs and joined and the devil deal hard.
You and